Hello everyone, and thanks for being with us today for Spotlight Carolina. I'm Mark Cady, and when something devastating like a fire or a flood hits your home or business, you need restoration services that you can trust. And that's why many people across Western North Carolina trust Rainbow Restoration and Cleaning. And our good friend Mary Palermo is with us today on Spotlight Carolina. Always good to see you.
Always good to see you too, Mark.
You know, it is really that kind of time of year. You know, you guys have a lot of business coming on, but for people who may not have seen you here on Spotlight Carolina over the course of several years, really a quick refresher of some of the services that you offer.
Sure, absolutely. So water, fire, mold, smoke, odor, crawl space encapsulation, a lot of cleaning services. So and then we've surrounded ourselves with a lot of other people as well. So I always recommend give us a call.
I talk about those services a lot. I'm like, you know, when you talk about Rainbow Restoration, it's like whatever you need to do to wipe it new, these are the guys who do that. You know, water has been a big thing. We had so much flooding in the last year, especially, you know, in December. I mean, you've probably been getting a lot of calls about that.
We have, in fact, boy, I'm trying to think what Friday that was. We had like, I think 50, we didn't count them, about 50 some calls, and then each day after that, you know, they dwindled down a little bit, but that, over the years, we've had a lot of water. A lot of rain coming in.
Yeah.
Somebody may have been in their house 17 years. I myself even have had to redo my front because water was finding a way in. And so I just want people to be aware that that is contaminated water coming inside. And I don't really recommend doing it yourself because the after effect, if it's not done right, will cost more. And so, you know, that's my concern. With all the water coming in and handling it right.
You know, you make a good point there, because a lot of times if something bad like that happens to your home or your business, you think, okay, I'm not going to call a restoration service. Maybe I can't afford it, or I don't think I can afford it, which a lot of times is a misconception. But people try to handle it themselves, and those are really valid concerns. They think they've cleaned it up, but there are a lot of things always lying under the surface sometimes.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah. Talk about this time of year, you know, people, is there anything people can do to be proactive against things like busting pipes or protecting their home from things like this?
Absolutely. If let's say you're elderly or younger and don't know even what to do or how to do it or can't do it, you know, hire a handyman, give us a call, we can get some people there. But, you know, time does take wear and tear on plumbing and so on. So if it's not protected or maybe age is set in, you're going to get some damage with the cold weather and not protecting it. So definitely keep an eye on that. Under the crawl space, underneath the kitchen sink. I mean, you just never know.
People take it for granted until something bad or devastating happens. Absolutely.
Yeah, and we don't want that for anybody.
How can people contact you?
Absolutely. So there's a lot of ways, right? So you can check our website out at rainbowintl.com/Asheville, or you can reach us by phone at 828-333-6996.
There you go. Information's right there on your screen. Whatever it is you need clean, especially when it comes to water, these are the professionals to trust. Mary, always great to have you here.
Oh, Mark, thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much for joining us here today on Spotlight Carolina. I'm Mark Cady. Until next time, take care.